Opening statements starting today in the Ahmaud Arbery murder trial. 3 men facing charges in connection with the fatal shooting in Glenn County last year. ABC's Morgan Norwood has the latest on what was said inside the courtroom today.
A nearly all-white jury now hearing the opening statements in the trial for the 3 white men accused of killing Ahmaud Arbery, a black man. The prosecution telling the panel that faulty assumptions led the suspects to chase down the 25-year-old Arbery, seen on cell phone video running away.
All 3 trapped him like a rat between their 2 pickup trucks.
Opening statements for the defense briefly delayed while the court heard a motion for a mistrial. The defense arguing the state misled the jury, the judge denying that motion, and the defense then laying out their case, claiming self-defense.
He grabs his shotgun for self-protection.
Ahmaud Arbery was killed last February after he was stopped by Gregory McMichael, his son Travis McMichael, and their neighbor William Roddy Bryan Jr. The 3 all face murder and other charges. They've each pleaded not guilty, telling police they thought Arbery was the person seen on surveillance videos visiting a home construction site in the neighborhood. But police report that he never stole anything.
No justice!
No peace!
Here at the courthouse, demonstrators crying out for justice amid concerns about fairness. Ahmaud Arbery's mother remains hopeful.
I do feel like we're getting closer to justice for Ahmaud day by day. Justice for Ahmaud looks like having all 3 individuals charged and sentenced to life in prison.
And court officials have indicated that this trial could last weeks. Regardless of the outcome, each of the defendants have been indicted on federal hate crime charges. That trial expected to begin in February. Morgan Norwood, ABC News, Brunswick, Georgia.
We continue our team coverage now with WJCL's Danae Bucci. And Danae, emotions ran high in Brunswick, and I know you spoke with members of the Arbery family. What did they have to say?
Absolutely. Ahmaud Arbery's mom actually spoke very candidly about coming face to face with the video of her son's death for the first time.
I've wanted a video for the last 18 months, and I thought it was time to get familiar with what happened to Ahmaud. I'm the last minutes of his life, so I'm glad I was able to stay strong and stay in there.
The family has been affected by what they heard in court today, but we are satisfied that the evidence is going forward.
Arbery's mom, Wanda Cooper Jones, was seen sobbing in the courtroom as that video played. Arbery's dad, Marcus, left during the time but was in the courtroom for most of the day as well. Support for the Arbery family is palpable here on the ground, and the rain and colder weather has certainly not deterred people from coming out. The day began with prayer from a prayer vigil with local religious leaders, and supporters have been a fixture outside the courthouse for days. Listen in.
Now, Danae, the defense has been very vocal about all those supporters standing right outside the courthouse. Any movement from the judge on that issue?
Well, William Roddy Bryan's attorney brought that up in court again today, saying that he thinks it's a distraction to jurors, but the judge dismissed that, saying that it's a violation of people's First Amendment rights. But it is important to note that there is actually a second entrance on the back side of the courthouse where jurors are able to move in and out of the building, shielded from both media as well as those supporters. Frank?
All right, thank you so much. Our Danae Bucci reporting live from Glenn County tonight. Well,